the morning.
Jesus!
You just barge in without knocking, huh? Who are you?
Jesus!
No, anybody was in this house with me. Who are you?
I'm Sabalo's friend. Who are you?
I'm his younger sister.
Sabalo's younger sister. Sabalo.
Hey.
Sabalo. Please, I need your help.
Okay, how do you want me to help you?
I've tried all my friends, everybody that have even helped. They neglected me.
Yeah, sorry.
I beg. I just need your help to accommodate me for some time. I won't stay long.
I will help you.
I beg.
I will help you. No problem. Since you say you're not going to stay long.
I will not stay long.
But no problem, you can stay.
Thank you.
You can stay. The issue now is that I'm expecting my mom. I have 2 beds here. This other bed now, my mom is going to stay there.
Okay.
You understand? Maybe you should stay in this other room for now.
No problem.
Well, no problem.
Thank you.
Come, bring your bag inside.
Who's gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning?
Jesus!
You just barge in without knocking, huh? Who are you?
Jesus!
No, anybody was in this house with me. Who are you? Wait, who are you? Who are you too? What are you doing in this house?
I'm Sabalo's friend. Who are you?
Brother has friends. I'm his younger sister.
Sabalo's younger sister. You are Sabalo's younger sister. Wow. Okay.
Sorry.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I've been looking for you.
Why?
Nothing serious. I'm just saying, since you have seen my stuff, do you mind me seeing yours?
What's that supposed to mean?
Don't take it serious. I'm just saying, don't take it serious, okay? I'm just saying, do you like what you saw?
Yeah, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Come on now. What I'm trying to say is, I like you. And I want us, to have something in common.
You're my brother's friend now. Don't do that.
Come on. I'm your brother's friend. I'm not your brother's enemy. Okay, do you want to have something in common with your brother's enemy? Come on now, this thing is just between the both of us. We can be doing this thing, eating ourselves. Your brother will not know now. Come on. I know you like what you see.
What if he finds out?
How? Auntie, how? Your brother that I know he doesn't always stay out. He's not always at home. Come on now. He's not gonna find out.
That's not right.
You can't see. The thing might not look right now. By the time we start eating it, back to back, it will be right. You will love it. And you know me, as I'm a delivery man. I deliver. You will ask for more. Look at you. I know say they your body. See, I can see it in your eyes. You like what you see, but you don't know how to say it. But you want me as the guy to come and tell you. I am here. I'm telling you. Yes, take things away. You understand? You know what? Let's quickly go and do one.
You do what? Wait, let me finish what I'm doing first.
Don't worry. Let's go. Let's go. It's not right. Come on. This body. I will give it to you hot.
So, reality. I'm pregnant.
Stop playing. Is this playing? Stop joking, John.
I'm not joking.
You know what? Let's go into the bedroom. Let me give it to you hot. Tell you
Hey,
like it.
that's not what is worrying me now. I said I'm pregnant.
You know me now. You mean this thing that you are pregnant?
I'm pregnant now.
Auntie, how?
Why are you shouting?
No, I'm not shouting. How? But we did it just once and you are pregnant. How now?
And you say you're educated. Wait, how many times do people need to do it to get pregnant?
Auntie, no nah. No nah. How? Your immune system is so weak. Only once you are pregnant. Why? See, for crying out loud, I'm your brother's friend. I'm your brother's friend.
But I told you before now. Did I not tell you that first day? You say it does not matter.
See, if your immune system is not weak, how will you just get pregnant? That person, okay, tell me, how person wanted to enjoy you now? Only once you don't get belly. That means you go to get belly, they get belly, they go. No, nah. Ah! Oh. Ah! Why? I'm your brother's friend now. I'm your brother's friend. Now your brother and a friend.
I'm not go before you beat me. I shall know I'm pregnant. Come, let's think of how we'll go to tell my brother now. When you're saying how, what?
Oh. You know the year word, you know the year word, you know the year word! Why?
This is how he say he wants to see me. Hope there's nothing serious.
SIRBALO, there's no problem. At the same time, there's problem.
Please, if there is problem, I hope it's not money problem. Because as you see me here, home and abroad, 1 naira I not get. Only 1,015 naira in my account.
SIRBALO, if it is money problem, it will be better. SIRBALO, there's problem.
Hope nobody die.
There's problem. There's big problem, oh.
This one you see there. Where are you going to?
Good afternoon.
Where are you going to?
I just want to buy something downstairs.
You want to go and buy something downstairs? Get out! That's why you walking over there. Walking gaga. Don't mind this idiot, oh. I sent her to school. Gave her 2 million naira to go to school. She went to Owerri. Coming back from Owerri, she carried belle come back. She's pregnant.
You know me now?
I'm telling you, she's pregnant.
She's pregnant?
Yes. She's pregnant. Go to walk up and down.
She's pregnant?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Since when?
She's 2 months pregnant.
2 months!
I took her to the hospital to confirm it. She did a test and the doctor said she's 2 months pregnant.
Ha!
Nonsense.
Life. Oh, that's very bad. That's very bad.
Do I come back home? Sorry, you were trying to tell me something just now. Sorry for the breaking transmission.
Oh. Before there's problem, I think there's no more problem again. You understand? I just want to thank you. Yeah, if I didn't thank you, I can't stop thanking you. For allowing me to stay in your house.
I don't like people surprising me with this kind of thing.
For allowing me to stay in your house, you deserve the thanks.
Because my app don't go up.
No.
Because
You